If you or someone that you know is about to purchase a piece of land, I suggest that you look at this video even before you sign that sale agreement. We are going to be looking at 3 major points that you must explore even before you put your signature on that document. Let's get into this video now. Number 1, who are you buying from? Now, some persons might be very excited when they hear about some piece of land being sold for a very reasonable price and may not think about who is the vendor in this particular transaction. Sometimes you may be purchasing or want to purchase a piece of land from a person that you're familiar with. But what you need to do is check the title documents for that property. You need to ensure that there's a deed or a certificate of title, some document to show that the person, the vendor who you're purchasing the property from, their name is on the title document before you actually explore purchasing this piece of property. So that's number 1. Who are you buying from? So when you identify who you're purchasing the property from, the next point you need to explore is what are you buying? A person cannot sell something that they don't own. So I can't sell this jacket if I don't own this jacket. Now, what is the property you're purchasing? It's always a good idea for you to just visit the property and take a walk on the property. Also look for any what they call hidden defects in the property. Make some inquiries regarding flooding. Is it a prone area to flooding? Look at the neighbors. You also look at road access and other areas of concern that you may have in this particular property that you're purchasing. So you have those 2. Who are you purchasing from? What are you buying? Let's move on to my 3rd point. How are you buying? Before you enter into any land transaction, you want to be prepared. You must be mindful of how you're going to be paying for this transaction. Are you going to be using cash or are you going to go through a mortgage? Is it possible for you to be pre-qualified before you actually enter this land transaction? If you have cash and you're paying via that medium, you want to ensure that you have receipts so that you could track where monies will be coming from you to the vendor. Now, these are some points that you want to explore even before you sign this sale agreement. I'm going to do a video about the sale agreement and some considerations that you must have in your mind before you actually sign, well, when you're signing that document. So look out for that video. You guys, share this video if you know it's going to be useful to some persons, because I've just been dealing with a lot of transactions where people are entering into purchasing land and they're not doing their due diligence and they find themselves in a lot of problems. Monies are being passed and they're purchasing property from persons who don't own property, among other factors. So if you think that this video might be useful, please share this video to some others. Remember, it's not legal advice. That is one of the first things that you must do. You should seek independent legal advice whenever you're entering into these transactions. Check out some of my other videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. We are over 800 subscribers and we're climbing. So thank you guys. It's such a joy to know that you guys are interested in learning about the law. Subscribe. Take care for now.